Question 1. Hosea was commanded by God to marry whom? A. A prophetess. B. A widow. C. An unfaithful woman. D. A foreign queen. Answer. C. An unfaithful woman. Question 2. What was the name of Hosea's wife? A. Deborah. B. Gomer. C. Ruth. D. Naomi. Answer. B. Gomer. Question 3. Hosea's marriage symbolized what relationship? A. King and servant. B. God and Israel. C. Father and son. D. Priest and people. Answer. B. God and Israel. Question 4. What was Israel guilty of according to Hosea? A. Laziness. B. Unfaithfulness to God. C. Poverty. D. Lack of knowledge only. Answer. B. Unfaithfulness to God. Question 5. Which phrase best describes God's message in Hosea? A. Judgment only. B. War and destruction. C. Love and restoration. D. Silence and distance. Answer. C. Love and restoration.